Hey guys, welcome back to the former farm kid channel. Working outside today, so bear with a few cars going by. Our problem today, diagram shows an ice cream cone with a spherical scoop of ice cream on the top. Yum yum. The cone is tangent to the ice cream scoop. So I tell you what, let's go ahead and mark that as such. Here's my tangent point. And since this is tangent, we know this is 90 degrees and this is 90 degrees. That's basically why they tell us or declare this to us. What percentage of the circumference of the ice cream is inside the cone? So what they are talking about here, what percentage of this part of the sphere is inside this cone? They want us to round to the nearest tenth of a percent. So what we're looking for is, what is the measure of this minor arc? If we knew the major arc, we could subtract that from 360 degrees and come up with the minor arc. But we don't know that, do we? So here's another way to figure this out. They told us, again, these 2 points were tangent for a reason, because this then becomes 90 degrees and that becomes 90 degrees. So it's tangent in 2 places, 2 90-degree corners. Plus, we are given this degree measurement for the cone. We now have a 4-sided polygon, kind of a weird shape. To calculate the total degrees in a polygon, and why am I doing that? Because if I can come up with this measure of this angle, this is a central angle. So whatever angle this is, its arc is the same measure. So a 4-sided polygon, by the way, you should kind of have it memorized that a 4-sided polygon basically has 360 degrees in it. How do we come up with that? Here's the formula. It's the number of sides minus 2 times 180 degrees. In this case, we have 4 sides. Minus 2 would be 2 times 180, 360 degrees. So once again, as I mentioned, this is a central angle. So if I can calculate what that is, I know what the sphere is, or this portion of the sphere or minor arc. So to do that, we have 360 degrees, and we're going to subtract this 90, and that 41. When I subtract that from 360, I come up with 139 degrees, which is what this becomes. So therefore, if this is 139 degrees, this minor arc that is contained within the cone is 139 degrees as well. But that is not our answer, because they ask us what percentage of the ice cream sphere, let me read it here again, what percentage of the circumference of the ice cream is inside the cone. So what we need to do to get that percentage is simply divide 139 by 360. That equals 0.3861 approximately. I'm going to convert that to a percentage just by moving the decimal 2 places, rounding to the nearest tenth. So my answer becomes 38.6% of the circumference is inside of the cone. Okay, guys, God bless. Keep up the great work. If this helped you a bit, give me a thumbs up, and we will see you next time.